What did you say now? You said, oh, what's in it? Oh, nothing. Luke, what did you say when you saw the box?
Nothing, hooray!
You said, what's in it? Oh, nothing, hooray!
Whoa! Hey, Buster! Let me in! Ow!
This is our messy basement. Christmas morning.
Christmas morning in the box. It's Christmas morning, and I got a web blaster. Yeah, a web blaster. Did you take all the stuff on the ground?
Yeah, what a mess. Yuck. Hey, Tia, here, come here. Give the camera a kiss. Aww. Merry Christmas.
Hi, camera.
Oh, you spit on the lens.
Sorry. Tia coming back down.
Yeah, why don't you do a dance?
I won't. Can I try that?
Don't spit at the camera.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello. I need my face turning it.
Oh, you gotta see it. What'd you get for Christmas?
A web blaster.
A web blaster? And a nice open box? What else did you get?
There's one more present.
Oh, that's to Kaylee.
Kaylee?
Yeah.
From me to her.
Yes, sir. No, it was Mattia chair. All right, say goodbye to the camera, Luke.
What?
It was Mattia.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, bring me one, please.
I will.
Can someone bring me
The
one?
donuts are good.
Did you hear? What's in here, Daddy? Oh, nothing. Good. Mattia. What?
Here.
Oh, yeah.
Are you smurfing those things? No.
Hey, guys, there's one more present.
What?
There's one more present
Hey. For who? For who?
for both of you.
Remember how we said there was something that we couldn't... Lukey, you're gonna lose that donut.
What are you putting here?
Oh.
What is it? What is it?
Well, we're gonna take you guys somewhere. We were gonna go last weekend, but we couldn't because it was the last game of soccer. But we're gonna go stay at a hotel with lots of pools.
And it's a Christmas town. The whole town is all Christmas. All Christmas all the time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so we'll have to figure out a weekend where we can go. And we're gonna go swimming and playing and...
You should.
Oh.
You know how to get this web blaster off?
Yeah. Pop it off. Just pull.
Okay, just pull. Is there something we have to unlock?
Oh. Undo that switch.
No, just pull it up.
Thanks.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
My
Christmas.
sexy librarian. Come on. kiss me.
Trophy wife.
Yeah, you are. I'm not just some trophy wife. That was pretty funny.
Three. There's only three of them.
I'll go up to Mattia.
Okay, I'm gonna get and one that we split. No, this one's for Dad. Your daddy.
Thank you. Okay, I need to cut out the window, right?
Okay, throw it away. Oh, that's what I was afraid of. Okay, we throw it away, please.
Good. Throw away the box, please. Throw that away. Gently.
Here, watch this.
Okay. Let's put it in this side here. What are you doing?
Don't talk your donuts in there. Hey, Daddy,
Here.
they should guys talk about what they want.
I'm gonna make a window right here. It's gonna look like that. What do you say?
But we can't fit out of it.
So you're not gonna crawl out of it, it's just gonna be for looking at kind of people ruffles. And Dad, you're gonna leave the flaps on it, right? So they can close it and push it.
Can I put some second?
Don't go in there with it.
Incredible.
You see where these are nice?
Okay.
Daddy, how come you just...
You know, kind of the word too is cerebral.
When I just look at it, it's okay.
What do you think of that, Tia?
Nito, Dad!
You're gonna fart, stick your butt up out that window. Your brother doesn't have to smell it.
Okay. I wonder what's going on.
Yeah, Luke did that to me first thing this morning. This has been sticks his butt up by his fart.
I see full of fire stick there. Is it done? Is it done?
Yeah.
Looky, the window's done. We need another window.
Well, look at this one first. Try one for now.
Can't stick my foot on top of a donut. Good morning. How are you today? Hey, I'm close to my window now, mister. Close it. Come on. Come in. Let's just come in. Ugh. And look, there's donut all over, so you better eat it. Give it up here. And then donut comes all over.
But
I just the time
you're dribbling. Oh, don't do that, Tia. Simon, look.
Hey, Tia. See what you can do. You know what you can do, Tia?
Don't tell her. Let her come up with things.
Okay.
I was gonna tell him too. And
Tell him.
a little bit.
Yeah.
Can someone close the window?
On fire.
Close our window. Can you close our window? That's like... I want to come out.
Okay, guys. Can you open the window? Let me get a picture. Tia, stick your head out.
Hey, I can't see.
Do I want both of you stick your head in there? Let me just put you.
Well, guys, wait, stick your head out a little bit further to you.